innovators ready to contribute to the global digital economy. As the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mia Muhammad Shahbaz Sharif, recently emphasized, a key component of our transformation is the introduction of the Digital Nation Pakistan Act. This landmark legislation lays the foundation for digitalization across all sectors, from governance and finance to healthcare, agriculture, education, and other fields. It reflects our vision to use digital innovation as a catalyst for inclusive growth and efficient service delivery. As a founding member of the Digital Cooperation Organization, Pakistan is playing an active role in advancing the digital policy agenda in emerging economies. Our role extends beyond participation. We are shaping policies, proposing frameworks, and creating platforms that enable innovation and investment to thrive. The potential of the DCO region is immense. We had a great discussion with the Honorable Secretary General of DCO. She visited my office yesterday. With a combined GDP of 3.5 trillion US dollars and a population of over 800 million, it is one of the most promising frontiers for digital investment. At this forum, we are not just identifying investment-ready markets and emerging startup ecosystems. We are spotlighting scalable innovations in artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and other frontier technologies. Ladies and gentlemen, throughout this forum, we have observed concrete outcomes taking shape. The discussions have revolved around critical areas such as digital infrastructure, increased adoption of digital technologies, and the scaling of digital services exports. Most importantly, this forum has amplified the global conversation on attracting digital foreign direct investment into high growth markets. Ladies and gentlemen, it has showcased Pakistan's readiness, highlighting investment opportunities, talent-rich ecosystems, and reforms that support ease of doing business. Let me emphasize that Pakistan offers a compelling proposition to global investors. With investor-friendly policies, regulatory reforms, and a cost advantage of up to 70% compared to North America, Pakistan creates the ideal environment for sustainable and profitable growth. Pakistan is a market of scale, agility, and resilience, and we are open for digital business. Welcome all. Ladies and gentlemen, through B2B engagements and strategic networking sessions, this forum has laid the foundation for transformative partnerships, uniting governments, innovators, and investors to co-create scalable digital solutions that will transcend borders. Ladies and gentlemen, as Pakistan prepares to assume the presidency of the DCO in 2026, we reaffirm our commitment to shaping digital policy and enabling inclusive innovation and acting as a bridge between emerging markets and the global tech ecosystem. Our vision is to translate ambition into opportunity and strategy into measurable outcomes. I had a very candid discussion and very frank discussion on all these areas when Honorable Secretary General DCO visited me in the Foreign Office yesterday. Ladies and gentlemen, in closing, let me extend my deepest gratitude to all the participants and partners who have contributed to the success of this historic forum. We look forward to continued engagement with global investors, thought leaders, and policymakers. Together, let us seize this moment to invest in ideas, scale innovation, and create lasting impact for our economies and people. I take this opportunity to once again welcome and wish all the best our honorable foreign and the ministers from the foreign countries or friendly countries who have taken time out and who have graced this event by joining us in these 2 days seminar and 2 days forum. I'm sure it will be mutually greatly beneficial. I wish all of them a very happy and pleasant stay in Pakistan and a great opportunity to start beginning work together. Pakistan is ready for all what I said. The future is digital, we all know. And we welcome the world to partner with us in building that future together. God bless you all. I thank you. Pakistan Zindabad.
नायब वज़ीर आज़म
इस्लामाबाद में नायब वज़ीर एअज़म मोहम्मद इसहाक डार डिजिटल फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट फोरम से खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा